Hello students. So in our previous video we had discussed about noun, definition of noun, and common noun, proper noun. But in this video we are going to discuss the difference between proper noun and common noun. The difference between what? Proper noun and common noun. I know it's a confusion between these two nouns, that is common noun and proper noun. So I will give you some example to make it understand. So before giving an example, let me tell you, or let me remember you that what is proper noun. What I have told to you, what is proper noun? Now proper noun is the noun given to a particular person, or a place, that is known as what? Proper noun. जैसे कि Maria lives in United States of America. That means there are lot of Marias are over there, or there are lot of, मतलब you can say that not only one Maria is there, there are so many Marias is there. But I am talking about the Maria who lives in USA. I am talking about that Maria. That means here what happened? Maria indicates what? Proper noun. Could you get my point? So next example is what? World War I started in the year 1914. Okay, so here what happened? World War I indicates what? Proper noun. Why? Now because World War I, I am talking about that the World War I which started in the year of 1914. Understood? Now come for the common noun. What is common noun? Now common noun is a name that given, or the name has been given in common to every person or thing of the same class or kind. That means कॉमन नेम जिसको दिया गया है, ठीक है? किसी के नाम, किसी को मतलब जो बोला जाता है, किसी का नाम हो सकता है, या फिर प्लेस, या फिर कोई थिंग भी हो सकता है. अंडरस्टूड? एंड यस, व्हाट आई हैव टोल्ड टू यू, द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग, कॉमन नाउन कैन नॉट बी और आर नॉट रिटन इन कैपिटल लेटर्स. ठीक है? are not written in capital letter, but in proper noun you have to write, or the proper noun should be start with capital letter. Understood? Now see the example of proper noun. India indicates what? Proper noun. Country indicates what? Common noun. Neha indicates what? Proper noun. Boy indicates what? Common noun. McDonald indicates what? Proper noun. Restaurant indicate what? Common noun. Kolkata indicate what? Proper noun. And city indicates what? Common noun. I think now you have understood the difference between common noun and proper noun. I think so. So now let's go for what? That is abstract noun. What is that? Abstract noun. Tell me, what is abstract noun? How can you describe abstract noun? Now, abstract noun is a noun or is a word that is used to indicate an wait now you can see properly. Indicate what? Indicate an idea, activity, action, a quality, or a state which is considered separate from the object to which it relates. The names relate to art and science is also includes in abstract noun. Understood? Abstract noun is a noun which indicates an idea, a thought, understood, a quality or a state, that is known as what? Abstract noun. Now your okay. Now you see, what is an idea? How can you recognize? An idea means a thought. Suppose, for example, belief. For example, what? Belief, dream, etc. This all comes under what? This all comes under idea. Understood? Thought. That is also comes under what? Idea. Next is what? Activity. What is that? Activity. How will you recognize activity? Now, marketing activity, advertising activity, economic activity, playing activity, that is known as what? Abstract noun. That's right. Marketing activity and you can write laugher, or you can say advertising, etc. Okay. Next is what? Action. What is action? Now, action, suppose movement, laughter, movement. This comes under action activity. What is quality? What is quality? How will you recognize the quality? The quality recognize honesty. Next is what? Goodness. Kindness, etc.